What's the meaning of Bolivian? Bolivian. Bolivian.
Bolivian. Bolivian. Bolivian refers to something or someone that comes from or is related to Bolivia, a country in South America. The term may be used to describe the country's culture, geography, history, people, or products. For example, Bolivian cuisine may refer to the traditional foods of Bolivia, while Bolivian textiles may refer to the woven fabrics produced in the country. Additionally, someone who is Bolivian may be a citizen of Bolivia or have ancestry from Bolivia. Overall, the term Bolivian is used to indicate a connection to or origin from Bolivia.